Hello everyone, good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, me and my mum are going to London for the day. Yeah! So excited. The train is in about 25 minutes, so we need to get heading to the station, but I want to bring you along with us. So, me and Dad have got you a little surprise. My mum knows nothing. So I can't wait to see her face when she finds out. Where are we, mums?
We're in London.
And we're on the...
This is the Thames.
Yay!
Champion said the birds of heaven sing. Watch looking now, it's just to make a break. Punch turned shifty and he said next.
Millennium Bridge! Woohoo! We're at the globe! Patch on the top. It's gorgeous, isn't it? Don't lose your head.
It's bright, man.
Hello. We're just outside the Lyric Theatre, having a lovely, lovely day. We're about to go to Piccadilly Circus. Woo!
And it is hot, hot, hot.
It's very hot. Yeah, we're just outside the Lyric, where Six is being performed, and behind us is everyone's talking about Jamie, and it's bringing a tear to my eye, isn't it? Because obviously we're not at the theatre yet. Let's go to Piccadilly Circus. Say cheese.
Cheese.
So, me and Dad have got you a little surprise.
Oh, no way. No way.
We're gonna get the Shard.
No way.
We are.
Oh my god. Hey.
Cheers. Cheers. Hi everyone, so we just come back down from the Shard. How was your experience, Mum?
It was brilliant, but my god, it was a long way up.
It was a long way up. It was 72 floors. That is very, very high up. Had a glass of champagne each,
Which
a
has
glass
gone
of
straight to
Moet.
my head.
Gone straight to our heads.
No, actually, I shared mine with Meg.
Yes, I've had 1.5 glasses of champagne. And we're just outside, I think London Bridge, we're not really sure. And yeah, we're going to enjoy the rest of our day.